Jamaica's under-20 and under-17 teams are in intense training ahead of their respective CONCACAF championships later this year. Head coach Xavier Gilbert has been bringing the players together for combined camps as he looks to advancing them to the respective FIFA tournaments. Karen Madden reports.
With their senior counterparts already creating history when they competed at the 2019 FIFA World Cup, the youth teams are looking to create their own storylines. Coach Xavier Gilbert has been working with both the national under-20 and under-17 groups since November, and though the COVID-19 pandemic has thrown up unaccustomed issues, he's pleased with what he is seeing from the mix of local and overseas-based players.
I've been managing to do what we can do with, the current situation. They have made the necessary adjustments well, and we have to commend the players. And we have been looking at players from both local and overseas. And what we have seen so far, it's a good look. We have some returning players from the last cycle, last set of under-20s. They came in December, some came in January. And things are shaping up pretty nicely, so I'm very optimistic of what we can do in the tournament.
Kerisan Lawrence is one of the players who has been with the national setup from a young age.
I've been to the United States with the under-15 team, played in the CONCACAF tournament. Looking forward for the under-17 World Cup qualifier. It's really important for us, so we're just hoping we have the right mindset, and I am ready and fit to actually go and qualify for the World Cup.
And while optimistic, the experienced coach concedes that the campaign will be difficult.
But again, we just have to do what we have to do and continue and see how the girls participate in the tournament. We're definitely going to compete. We got knocked out of the quarterfinals round the last time around, and we want to see if we can take it one step better. Not the quarterfinal round. So we want to see if we can take it at least a step better, because 3 teams will advance to the World Cup. And we just hope that, what we have been doing so far will work for us.
The CONCACAF Under-20 Championships take place in the Dominican Republic from February 23 to March 12, with Jamaica drawn in Group H alongside Haiti, Guatemala and Cuba having their first game on February 26. Meanwhile, the CONCACAF Under-17 Championships will be held in April also in the Dominican Republic, with Jamaica joining Group F along with Canada, Bermuda and the host country. Jamaica's first game will be against Bermuda on April 24. Karen Madden, TVJ Sports.